In this lesson, I will show you how you can create text objects in SolidWorks. Since a text object is a two-dimensional object, they are created inside sketches. So in this example, I have created a new part document and I have also created some curves in a new sketch. The text tool can be activated from the sketch ribbon. Once the tool is active, the Property Manager palette activates automatically. In the text field, I can type the text. In this example, I will click on this field to activate it and I will type SolidWorks 2023 tutorial. The text appears automatically at the origin of the coordinate system. Naturally, I can always move the text to another position. I can change the letters to bold or italic. I can also change the length of the text, as well as the spacing between the letters from the width factor and spacing fields. Furthermore, if I deactivate the Use Document Font option, the Font button activates. If I click on this button, the Choose Font window opens. From this window, I can change the font style, the font size, and the font itself. In this example, I will change the font to Bookman Old Style and I will click OK. Then I will click on the check mark from the Property Manager palette to deactivate the tool. Now, to edit the text object again, all I have to do is double-click on it. The Property Manager palette activates automatically and I can modify the text even further. An interesting feature is that I can actually align the text on a curve. So, with the Property Manager palette active, I will select the arcs that exist in the sketch. The arcs names appear automatically in the Curves field of the Property palette. If the text appears under the curve, then you can just click on the Flip Vertical button and the text will be flipped vertically. Now, if the text appears backwards, I can just press the Flip Horizontal button to fix it. When you have reached the desired result, all you have to do is click on the check mark to save the changes and exit the text editing mode. And that was how you can create text objects in SolidWorks.